Good morning, dear children. I am Akanksha Sharma, the Millennium School, South City, Lucknow. And today we begin with the third chapter of the same book in BST, that is NCERT. And the third chapter is Business Environment. So here we need to understand what is business environment all about. Now, environment and business, both the words are not new to all of us. We know what business is all about and we know what environment is all about. Hence, business environment refers to forces, factors, individuals, and institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise but yet affect the performance of the business. So children, anything outside, anything around us involves the environment. But when we talk about business environment, so it's all the external factors surrounding the business organization affecting the performance of the business can be termed as business environment. In simple words, business environment is the surroundings in which the business exists. Thus, the economic, social, political, technological, legal, and other forces which operate outside business enterprise are a part of business environment. Now, I just give you an example. Say, for example, I said economical environment affects business. Now, increase in taxes is a part of economic environment. So increase in taxes by government would make things expensive to buy. Hence, if there's an increase outside in the taxes by the government, that would affect the business performance. That would make the things expensive to buy. There are technological changes, which may exist and products might become obsolete. The consumers might change their preferences and taste because of which the product might become obsolete, and hence there was a change. This was a change in the outside world that the consumers changed their tastes and preferences, but it affected the business performance. So children, I repeat again, business environment means any external force. It could be economical, social, political, technological, legal, which operates outside the business organizations, which are outside the control of the business organization, business enterprise, but yet affecting the performance of the business, could be termed under business environment. Now, since these all factors affect the business environment, hence we come across a word, and that is environment scanning, which is very, very important. You need to learn. This question has come often for 1 mark. What do you understand by environment scanning? So environment we've understood. What do you mean by scanning? Scanning is complete checking, being aware of, complete awareness and understanding. So environment scanning can be referred to or can be defined as complete awareness and understanding of business environment, right? And without business environment, children, business enterprises cannot even anticipate. They cannot know. They will not be able to find out the effect of environment forces and factors on their enterprise. Now, children, through this environment scanning only, the business opportunities come to find out the threats or the opportunities in the market. So, if this environment scanning is done properly, the opportunities can be easily, met in the market. Else, the opportunity can be lost to the competitors. Similarly, through this complete environment scanning, the enterprises can even be aware of the threats which might arise in the market, which might arise in the business environment. So before moving further, once again, what is business environment all about, and what do we understand by the word environment scanning? Now further we move on to the characteristics or features of business environment, children. The first characteristic of business environment is that it includes all external factors. So we've already covered this point, that whatever forces that exist outside the business environment which are not in the control of the business environment conclude or become a part of business environment. Hence we can say that all forces, all factors, all individuals and all institutions existing outside the control of business environment affecting business performance become a part of business environment. So business environment includes all external forces which affect the business performance. The children next characteristic of business environment is that business environment not only includes external factors, but these external factors are both specific and general in nature. Now, what is specific and general here? Specific forces affect business enterprise directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. For example, suppliers, for example, investors, customers. Whereas general forces are social, political, technological, legal, which have impact, but they do not have impact directly like specific forces. They do affect the business performance, but indirectly. So specific forces are individual forces like investors, suppliers, consumers, whereas general forces are social, political, technological. Specific forces affect the business performance directly. General forces affect the business performance indirectly. Third characteristic of business environment is that all the forces of business environment, forces include the social, political, technological, legal. So every such force existing in business environment, they're all interrelated. Now, interrelated as in they all depend upon one another rather. For example, now inclination of the youth towards Western culture might be, this could be one of the examples, that inclination of the youth towards the Western culture has increased the demand for fast food. Or say, for example, the population is becoming health conscious. So demand for diet cokes has increased rather than the normal cold drinks. So we can say here, we can prove that yes, all the forces of the business environment are interrelated. Change happening in one environment could bring a change in the other environment. Children, the factors of business environment, the factors existing in the business environment are not only interrelated, they're not only specific or general, rather they're uncertain. Nobody can predict the change in the business environment. For example, you cannot predict when the consumer would change its demand or preference. The changes are uncertain because we know that the environment is dynamic, right? Although it's also one of the other characteristics of business environment. So the business environment is ever changing. Say for example, IT sector, fashion industry, there are frequent and fast changes taking place in this environment. Hence, we can say that the factors of business environment are uncertain. It's difficult to predict the changes in these forces of a business environment. And the next feature is dynamic, which we've already done. Dynamic refers to ever changing. So yes, the factors, the forces of the business environment are always changing. They're flexible, they keep changing, they're not static, they're not rigid. That is why it is essential to monitor and scan the business environment continuously. We just did the word environment scanning. So environment scanning becomes important only and only because our business environment is dynamic in nature. It keeps changing every time. Children, the next characteristic or feature of business environment is it is very complex. Business environment becomes complex, means it's very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on companies. Now, there could be changes in the business environment. So, although it's very easy to scan the business environment, keep a check on the business environment, but it is very difficult to know how these changes will influence the business decisions. Sometimes a change in business environment might seem very minute, very small, but then it might influence the business decisions. It might have a large impact on business decisions. For example, a government policy to increase the tax just by 5% may affect the income of the company in a large amount. So it's very difficult to understand what change of business environment would affect the business decisions in what manner, what large impact would be created by a very small change in the business environment. Hence, business environment becomes very complex to understand. Children, the last feature or the characteristic of business environment is relativity. Now, business environment has the feature of relativity, which means that any business enterprise or any business organization is affected, is related to the business environment of the country it is situated in. It is affected by the cultures, it is affected by traditions, it is affected by the economic, technological and legal conditions only of the region, only of the country it is situated in. Hence, business environment has a relativity feature, which means it is related to only to the cultures, conditions and the environment of the area it is situated in. Business environment differs from country to country, it differs from region to region, as political conditions, cultures, traditions are different in different countries. For example, and the same example has been used in your NCERT as well, that there may be more demand for saris in India as compared to USA or UK, right? So the production of any commodity also, business enterprises do depend upon, are related to the conditions prevailing in the country or the region it is situated in. Hence, children, just a quick revision of whatever we did today. Business environment, it refers to forces, factors, individuals and institutions outside the control of business enterprise but yet affecting the business performance. Environment scanning is important. Why? Because the environment is dynamic, hence a complete check has to be there by business environment to find out apt opportunities and threats in the market. Then the characteristics and features of business environment. Business environment includes all external forces outside the control of business environment. The forces are both specific and general. Specific affecting business directly, general affecting it indirectly. All the forces of business environment are interrelated. They are uncertain, difficult to predict, dynamic, ever-changing, complex. A small change might have a large impact, yet making it difficult to understand. Relativity, related to the country or the region they exist in, the business exists in. So children, you need to revise this, read this, go through NCERT, find out the keywords so that you understand the case studies also. Thank you.